Want to cancel an Uber Eats order without paying a fee? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, launch open the Uber Eats app on your device. If you don't have this application, you can download it from Play Store or App Store. Now log into your account. One thing you need to remember is that you can cancel your order at no cost only if you do it before the restaurant accepts it or before a driver is dispatched. Once food prep begins or a delivery person picks it up, Uber Eats will charge a cancellation fee. Now, to cancel your order, you want to tap on the orders option at the bottom of your screen. Now you will find the list of all of your orders. Go ahead and select the order that you want to cancel, then tap cancel order. Now confirm the request by tapping cancel order again in the confirmation screen. Then select a cancellation reason. After that, tap done. If you don't see the option to cancel in the app, or if you have already passed the no fee cancellation window, you may need to contact Uber Eats customer support. And that's it for this. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.